I'm Darla Melmans, owner of Mind Potential Northwest and founder of Awakening Whole Brain Wisdom online programs. And for over 2 decades, I've been helping clients just like you break free from the grips of your past, from negative emotions, from stress. My work is always geared at awakening that wisdom that's within every single person and helping them see that they're resilient, that they're capable of living their best life. Bottom line, when you start to cultivate these capabilities, when you have the support that you need, you can make big things happen. I have a background in mental health, addiction behavior medicine, nutrition, neuroscience, holistic healing. I love to learn, and I love to take all of these modalities and pull out the ones that are the most effective and bring them to you. What sets my work apart is that I combine this knowledge and this understanding with the principles and the science behind our mental, emotional, and physical health with easy to apply strategies that are based in neuroscience and timeless healing remedies. I don't think you'll find anyone more passionate about the brain, about the science of healing, but I am 100% committed to nurturing the spirit, the heart, and the soul of my clients. I love watching the light bulbs go off in my clients when they make connections between their past and they start to understand how their brains got wired in certain ways that led them to think and feel and act the way that they always have. Then to hear their stories and how the tools and the skills that they're learning in this program are being applied so easily and practically, it just lights me up. This system works because it directly shifts the neural pathways in the nervous system. So it allows my clients to move out of survival mode, to break old habits, and to experience true change. You know, I get what it's like. I've struggled myself. I still struggle at times, but I want you to realize that you're no longer at the mercy of your thoughts and your moods. You don't have to be angry. You don't have to be resentful. You don't have to live in the past. You don't have to worry about your future. And I've spent thousands of dollars really on self-education and professional development. I personally tested just about everything and pulled out the most valuable pieces to help you. My approach and philosophy of living, along with a toolbox full of reset remedies, has changed my life, and I hope it can change yours as well. So let me ask you something. What would it be like to work with a trusted, experienced professional and do the right kind of guided personal exploration that would allow you to heal your past? What if you had some science-backed strategies that actually changed the way that your brain worked, that would impact your thoughts, your moods, your emotions, and your behaviors? What would it be worth to you to feel supported, understood, and prompted to make some changes that positively impact your life moving forward? I want you to know the strategies I teach in my workshops and programs have not only worked for me, but they've worked for hundreds of my clients over the past 25 years. I want to help you turn things around so that you can step into a life where you feel good again, where you remember who you are and you live according to your highest potential. I want to invite you to join my next virtual event, and here's why I'm doing it. There are too many women just like you who are struggling because they don't have a dependable way to calm their minds and their bodies. I want to give you the tools for shifting your mindset and hitting a reset button so you know exactly what you need to do to restore emotional balance every single time you feel activated or you get pulled off course. This will be a shortcut for calming down, for redirecting your thoughts, your moods, your emotions, your behaviors. You're going to learn the key to emotional stability, which is going to help you move from survive to thrive. We'll be talking about the secrets to maximizing your personal power, and I'm going to give you some tools to help you shift this internal messaging that keeps you living small. We're going to dive into the neural code because I'm going to give you one of the quickest and most effective tools for changing your brain and your body. I'll be covering the steps to building this resilience muscle. That's the part of you that can overcome any obstacle and come out on top. You'll start to build this resilience roadmap, which is a plan so that you know exactly what to do moving forward to experience the results that you're looking for. By the end of the workshop, you're going to walk away feeling a whole lot better, having several reset tools so that you can continue to use these moving forward every time you hit a bump in the road. If this seems like the right time for you, feels like a good fit for you, then grab your ticket and give me the joy and privilege of supporting and serving you.